Salve a tutti e benvenuti al nostro appuntamento con Cannolo Report.
Hello and welcome to this episode of the Cannolo Report from Palermo. This Sicilian cart brings us to the world of counting out rhymes. In Sicily, the counting out rhymes, for example, were very useful when playing hide and seek, because the players were chosen by draw. They often meant nothing. We used to gather in a circle and it was
Si
said,
metteva in cerchio e poi si diceva a bibbo, chi sta sutta non lo so, ma ben presto lo saprò, a bibbo. O anche questa, bim bum bam, pisci fritte e baccalà, la catau, la mamma, culi sordi du papà.
but there are many
Sono
others.
tante altre. Chicchirichì, sotto letto cinnecci. Uno che balla, uno che frisca, uno che porta l'acqua fresca. Uno, due e tre. Ciccio velluto, suonamelo muto, suonamelo bene, calancelo bene.
For any information, do not hesitate to contact our cultural department. We are available to all the world for anyone who desires Sicily. This is our mission.
Hi everyone, ciao a tutti. I would like to welcome 3 new members on our cultural department. The exhibition organizer Paola Pignatone, the archaeologist Rosalba Panvini, and the opera singer Romina Arena. Welcome to the cultural department, Sebastiano Tusa of Splendid Sicily. Sicily is a land rich in history, and lands rich in history are rich in museums. Here are 3 of them. This one from Agira, in the center of Sicily, collects the ancient crafts and the work tools of the Sicilians. There is the barber, the carpenter, the stonemason, and many others in the small town where Diodorus Siculus was born. In Syracuse, the powerful Siciliota city of the 5th century before Christ, there is one of the most important archaeological museums in the world, right next to the archaeological area that houses the famous Greek theater. And Acireale, the town with a beautiful Baroque style on the foot of Mount Etna, hosts a museum of Sicilian puppets, whose performances in the theaters were a great amusement for the Sicilians of the past.
E intanto è venuta la zia Cicca e
Meanwhile, Aunt Chica has come and would like me to tell you a crazy nursery rhyme.
vorrebbe che io
She told me that when she's with her friends, she enjoys telling certain stories. I will tell you the story of the horned.
vi dirò quella di un cornuto. Cornuto, sì. Cato padre aveva le corna e dito nanna le corna portava. Quando nasciste tu, nascero le corna. Tutte di corna lo sciume corria. La tonaca e l'ho letto fuoro corna. Tra corna e corna non c'è caro a tia. Vantare ti li puoi, fianca de corna. Non c'è cornuto pareggio di tia.
On December 5th, 1666, the musician Francesco Scarlatti was born in Palermo, brother of the most famous Alessandro. Let's listen to a piece of his Dixit Dominus. Sicilian proverbs are like pieces of the gospel.
Aiadina chi cammina, s'arricogli cavozza china.
La iardina chi cammina s'arricoglie con la vozza china, which is that the walking hen, when she returns, always comes back with a full throat, and it means that anyone that walks, moves, and gets busy will always get something. In this photo from 1928, we are in Castiglione di Sicilia, and you can see a group of washerwomen and children from a near spring. In those days, people walked barefoot, and women rubbed their clothes on the stones to clean them. The lady in black is in mourning. There is no shortage of prickly pears, and it must have been very hot that day, almost 100 years ago. Next week in Sicily. Weather forecast mostly sunny throughout the island, with some rare precipitation. Daytime temperatures just below 20 degrees. The sun rises at around 6 a.m. and sets around 5 p.m. And let's see what this land and this sea, blessed by the sun and wealth, offers us. The fruit vendor has just picked up zucchinis, prickly pears, broccoli, eggplants, peppers, cauliflowers, apples, magnificent Sicilian tomatoes, both for salads and for making the sauce. Bunches of grapes and oranges, and mandarins have arrived, and also the olives. It's time for fresh oil here in Sicily, and to make olives at home. What goodness! The fish vendor displays fresh fish from the Mediterranean Sea. Swordfish at 25 euros per kilo, delicious scallops at 18 euros, octopuses of all sizes, mussels, squid, the typical pink shrimp, mullets, amberjacks, and lots of bluefish at around 15 euros per kilo. And it's also time for cuttlefish with black ink that makes one of the most popular pastas in Sicily. It's also time for chestnuts, and here are roasted chestnuts, or chestnuts cooked on the grill. Delicious! And let's come to the feast in Sicily, an island where you never miss an opportunity to leave the houses and to celebrate something or someone, and to eat and to observe and enjoy a treat inside into Sicilian culture and customs. In this period, unfortunately, not much is celebrated. We're waiting for better times that will apparently come soon.
Eccomi ritornata in studio per salutarvi.
Here I am back in the studio. I'll wait for you in Sicily. Sicily fills you with light, colors, harmony, peace, and flowers. Come to Sicily. You will find history, culture, cuisine, and especially the Sicilians that are very hospitable people. I don't know if you know that Sicily is God's diamond. One day that the Lord was happy, and while walking with the saints in heaven, he thought to give the world a present. He ripped off from the crown a diamond and threw it into the sea. The people of the past called it Sicily, but for God, it is its diamond.
Sicilia, le gente, ma di l'eterno pace, Idra e lui, diamanti, venite in Sicilia, in un mare di luce e di amore. Vi aspettiamo, ciao!